So notice that in both cases, we were finding the distance between 2 points, here and here, and here and here. When we found the distance between these 2 points, we set up a right triangle and found the horizontal distance between them and the vertical distance between them. This allowed us to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the hypotenuse, or the diagonal between the 2 points. The same was true in this case for town 2. We found the distance horizontally between the mile markers, and then the distance vertically or south to go to the town. We squared these two numbers and found their sum, and then took the square root to get the distance. We can do something similar if we wanted to find the distance between any 2 points. So let's say we had these points, -7 and 3, and 5 and 8. We can think of drawing 2 interstates or roads horizontally and vertically. And the distance between the 2 points is the diagonal, or the hypotenuse of the right triangle we just created. To find the vertical distance between the 2 points, we want to look at the y values. We can think about this vertical distance as starting at y equals 3. Then it goes all the way up to y equals 8. So if we find the difference, or the amount between the y values, we'll get the vertical distance, which is 5 here. So knowing this, what do you think would be the horizontal distance? What's this distance?